Happy Sunday, guys. Well, the bus wouldn't start this morning, and I found out through the help of Mike from Miami Bus Deals, it was one of the starter fuses. So I replaced one already, the new one. The other two were slightly oxidized, cleaned them off just like you do with your battery, and they should work. So I'm gonna plug them in, and let's see if the bus cranks up. All you have to do is just simply just plug it in, follow the spaces, and they should snap in. That's one. And of course, you shouldn't drop the other one, but stuff happens. And here goes the other one. Okay, so just stand by. I'm gonna see if the bus cranks up.